diferença é que na segunda vez nós vimos o quão importante é continuarmos essa ligação que existe dos países lusófonos que falam português. Porque pela primeira vez nós, quando viemos para Timor-Leste, nós já ouvíamos falar de Timor-Leste quando vivíamos em São Tomé, na altura da independência, na altura nós ouvíamos e sempre tivemos curiosidade em saber que na Ásia tem um país que fala português. E quando viemos cá pela primeira vez sentimos uma conexão muito forte com as pessoas, com o lugar, e vimos o quão parecidos nós somos. E isso foi se tornando, nós, entretanto, através do Luís, nós fomos mantendo esse contacto, mantendo essa ligação. Tanto é que na filmagem do videoclipe Amar pela Metade, nós conseguimos ver que a essência do povo timorense tem muito a ver com a essência de onde nós crescemos. É um povo simples, é um povo que vem da terra, é um povo trabalhador, acolhedor, e isso fez com que nós ainda, na vida real mesmo, de primeira mão, que a gente dissesse, olha, é importante nós mantermos essa ligação, vir para aqui, continuarmos a trazer a música, a cultura e conhecer mais aqui do povo timorense. E gostaríamos de deixar um grande obrigado ao carinho que nós recebemos e temos recebido desde o...
Let's start with someone that don't really like to talk. And we have Mr. Bordalo II. Round of applause for Bordalo II. So Bordalo II make art with plastic, make recycling art. Works? Yes, it works. So you've been here once already. Why you come back?
Because we like the place and we found some materials that we wanted to use. Run out of flip-flops. Okay, I can explain you what's the idea. The last time we came here, when we finished the job that we were doing, we took some extra days just to enjoy the island, to visit the place, when you're working, you're not really focused on the real place. So we took some time with Luigi to see the seaside, and we found a lot of flip-flops in the beach, all the time. So we started to collect it, and we thought maybe we should make a piece only with flip-flops, and it would make sense to do it here, because it was where we found that idea. So here we are again, and I hope we can make a nice piece with that.
Great. For his work, so we are very, very happy to have him here and trying to also help our artists here. And if you think about give some message for the artists here, what should you tell them, knowing a bit already from Timor-Leste?
It's difficult to become an artist, it's difficult to be an artist as a profession. You can be really good, you can have all the talent, and it doesn't mean that necessarily you can live from art. So to give a message, I think more than giving a hope message, I think it's important to give reality. Being an artist is difficult, and it doesn't mean necessarily, even if you are really good, that it can work as a full-time job. So you have to be super strong and try and keep trying until it works.
Very good, Ronald.
Thank you.
And he doesn't speak a lot, but when he really say good things. So after thanks the artists, I also want to thank to all our amazing team. 80%. So this really show how the youth really can make the difference and really can make it happen.
The trees coming from this type of bus, and then I'm going to get over to this.
So for the
Obrigado para.
Obrigado.
And then